Welcome everyone to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to rename your headphones in Windows 11. Many users are not aware that you can customize the name of your audio devices, making it easier to identify them. First, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings. This will open the main Settings menu. Next, in the Settings window, click on the System section. Click on Sound to access all audio-related settings. Then, in the Output section, you will see your headphones listed. Tap on your headphone device to open its settings. Under the name of the headphone, you will find a Rename option. Click on Rename. Type in the new name you want for your headphones, and then confirm by clicking Rename again. Finally, your headphone will now display the new name you entered, making it easier to manage and identify your audio devices in the future. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.